Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the keyboard interrupt error and how we can handle this keyboard interrupt error in Python. So a keyboard interrupt error in Python occurs when a user interrupts the execution of a program, typically by pressing the interrupt the kernel button, which you can see over here, interrupt kernel, okay? Or in the terminal or on the console when you interrupt the program. This action is used to forcefully terminate a program when it's taking too long to respond or if the user wants to stop it manually. It's similar to pressing a pause button during a video to stop the playback. For example, if your program is running a long computation or waiting for the user input and the user decides to abort the process using interrupt the kernel, then the Python will raise the keyboard interrupt error to signal that the execution was interrupted. So let's simulate an error of this keyboard interrupt error. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to simply write a while statement saying that while true, I'm going to write pass, and then if I run this, you will see that it's keep on running. You can see over here the star mark, and you can see over here this mark which says it's running, right? So now if I come to kernel, if I press interrupt kernel, or if I simply press this button which is interrupt the kernel, you will see that we will have the keyboard interrupt error. So I pressed it and you can see over here that we have keyboard interrupt error. So in this scenario, if we simply try to catch this keyboard interrupt error and put a simple message saying that, hey user, you have interrupted the program, then how we can do that? Let's say that I want to put all my codes into the try block saying that try, and then I'm printing simply press interrupt the kernel to pause, or let's say to stop the program, okay? And then I'm going to write this while statement. In this I'm going to put this pass, and then I'm going to write a except statement saying that except keyboard interrupt, and then I'm going to print, hey user, you have stopped the kernel, or you have pressed interrupt the kernel button. So now if I run this, we are saying press, oh, I have to put remove this zero basically. So it's saying press interrupt the kernel to stop the program, and it's keep on running, okay? So if I press this button, earlier I used to get the keyboard interrupt error. Now I'm getting this message saying that, hey user, you have stopped the kernel, or you have pressed the interrupt the kernel button. So in this code, Python runs an infinite loop because of this while condition, where while is true, to simulate a long running operation. If the user presses interrupt the kernel during the loop, a keyboard interrupt error is raised. The except block catches this error and print a message indicating that the program was interrupted by the user. This allows the program to handle abrupt termination gracefully, performs cleanup action if necessary, and provide feedback to the user about the interruption. And this is very useful when you are maintaining a log of an automation code or your project code. Let's say that your code is running on the server and you have to stop that code. Whenever a user stops that code, then a log should get generated, and in that log it should be written that this specific user has interrupted the execution of the program, so that if there is anything that has gone unexpectedly in the project, the specific person is answerable for that. So that's where you can use this specific keyboard interrupt error and the exception handling so that you can have the log in which all the details were mentioned. Happy learning and see you in the next video.